In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 ways to make money from the comfort of your home that no one is talking about. If this is something you're interested in, please don't even touch the dial. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you and I appreciate you all from the depths of my heart. God bless you. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, yes, I know I'm hyper. Let me go ahead and introduce myself while you guys introduce yourselves. Okay, yeah, so my name is Mariam. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer and a YouTube content creator here on YouTube. I drop 3 to 4 videos every week, so make it a date to join your girl. Yes, so if you have not joined the family, what are you waiting for? Don't you like this girl that you're seeing? If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share with your friends. You know, sharing is caring. On this channel, we love to share valuable information that helps you become a better version of yourself. So make sure that you share this video with your friends, your enemies, your village members, and your loved ones, as well as your paraport members, your church members, your Arikrishna members, and your Mashalashi members. Yes, so so without further ado, let's just go right into the topic for today. So come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. So guys, the first one I have for you is to start a home-based business. Hey guys, you can start a home-based organization business, so posh and top-notch. If that is one of your skills, guess what? Hey, you are leaving money on the table. Yeah, start that home-based organization business. I said so. So like I said, you don't even need a degree, you don't need a BSc to start this business. Yes, so you don't need a degree to start this business. So it's nothing hard. You can start from your WhatsApp. You can start, announcing to people, to your friends and families that, hey, do you need someone to reorganize your home? You don't like the way your home looks? Give them a few pictures of, inspirations. Yes, just so they know that you know what you're doing. And by the time you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gigs, you get positive reviews. You have pictures and you have pictures and videos to back up what you have done. You show a picture of before or video of before and after. See, hey, clients will be running helter-skelter looking for you like money. Yes, so you see, you've got one amazing source of money for yourself. Yeah, start it and thank me later. And if you don't have those skills, don't worry, I have great news for you. Just keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Yes, so all the way. Oh, I forgot to mention that you can also create a website for that home organization business or a Facebook group. Yes, to advertise your services. And you can also post ads on local social media pages or on Craigslist.com. Number 2 is to become a grant writer. Hey, someone to actually write grants on behalf of their companies, their businesses, or their non-profit organization. Why not? You just fill up. It's there, simple and easy. There's nothing special about, nothing really special. Yes, you can become a grant writer. Write grants on behalf of companies and businesses, corporations, organizations. Yes, and start to make money. Guys, you'll be surprised that non-profits, universities, hospitals and other community organizations have a great need for grant money to supplement their budgets. But grants can be notoriously tricky to write for the first time. So if you have experience writing grants or you are willing to learn how to do it by practicing your skills without pay, maybe for a few non-profits for a start, you can actually start a lucrative freelance grants writing business. Guys, according to eHow, grant writers make anywhere from $40,000 to $67,000 in a year. I'm telling you, another way to actually make money is to teach music lessons. Yes, so you can teach piano or guitar or violin or singing lessons out of your house. Yes, so and it's a well-established way for stay-at-home spouses to make a little extra cash. So if anyone can do it, guys, you can do it. I'm telling you, if you're a musically minded entrepreneur, see, while you can teach music lessons in person, quite a few websites also let you market your services or even teach music lessons online. Now, some of the best options include live music tutor and take lessons. So go to livemusictutor.com or you go to takelessons.com. Yes, so another way to actually make money is, are you ready? Are you ready to hear this next one? Now, do you know that you can use your language skills to translate? Yes, so if you know a second or a third language, do you know that you can make a living at home translating documents? Yes, so also note that many translators actually work on a freelance basis, so it's possible that you could create a translation business and then complete one-off work for a variety of clients. Now, starting a translating business can be as easy as creating a website, a basic website to advertise your services. And you could also reach out to businesses in your area that might require translation from one language to another, or you try networking in fields of businesses that you believe may benefit from your services in the future. Yes, so another way to make money is to leverage on your graphic design skills. Yes, so become a graphic designer. Guys, do you know that businesses always need graphic designers to help them convey information, usually through logos, advertisements, posters, websites, and the like? So while it's actually possible to be an entirely self-taught, graphic designer, most either have a certification or probably a degree. So other than the cost of design software, this business has very little overhead. Yes, so and it can be done anywhere with a dedicated computer. So if you have the type of graphic design skills that businesses need, and you have the resources to buy the software, guess what? You need to get started. And this can be the home-based business idea that you have been looking for. Now, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, graphic designers have a median salary of $52,000. Did you hear me? Now, what are you waiting for? This can also pass for a side hustle for you. So if you have a main business and you want to make money on the side, remember in one of my videos, I shared with you guys that when I worked in the bank, I had a side hustle, and my side hustle was making my salary for me in one day. Yes, I was making my salary in one day with my side hustle. So yes, it's very possible. You just have to know where to look. I mean, like what I say on this channel all the time, money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. And the moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. And this is why I implore you guys, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bells. Don't you like this girl that you're seeing? Because on this channel, I share valuable information. You know, I am your go-to person when it comes to making money. I'm your business mogul, and I'm here to show you guys the way. Oh yes, so how to make money online from the comfort of your home. I share lazy ways to make money, weird ways to make money, and I also share grants. I mean, free money that you don't have to pay back, that you can apply for. Yes, check out my other videos on this channel. I'm not here to play, guys. I'm working for you guys day and night. So go check out those videos and start to apply for these amazing opportunities. Yes, I also shared a video where the rich actually dash out money. Yes, they give out money to people who are in need. So I'm not encouraging anyone to beg here, but of course I understand that some people are actually truly in need. They're truly struggling financially. So these are websites where people actually can fund your maybe you have school debts. You're owing part of your student loans and stuff like that. We have a lot of rich people that are willing to pay off that debt for and have nothing in return. So I shared ways by which you can get money from rich people. They can also fund your medical expenses. Yes, some people are actually drowning in medical expenses. So yes, they can also fund you. They can also fund you for your travel. They can fund you for business, to start a business. If you have a business idea but you don't know where to start, or you are looking for capital, these are people that can fund you. I made a video on how to get access to those resources, to that money. If you need me to leave the link in the comments, I'll definitely do that for you. But as I will try to also put the link right here. So yes, check out that video. Don't miss it for anything. On this channel, I'm here to always research valuable information that will help you become a better version of yourself. And just in case you're not looking, or you didn't know that these opportunities actually exist on this channel, you know that I will share with you information that no one is willing to share with me. I will share. Say to come. My own is to see everybody win and win real big. We are making money this year. We are billionaires. Yes, so all of us are billionaires. Yes, amen, amen. Somebody. Amen. So yes, let me know if you need me to do a research tailored to your specifications. If you need me to do a research tailored to your specifications, please leave it in the comments. If you think I speak too fast on this channel, please also let me know. Yes, and if you also have questions for me, please leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to do it for you. Note that there are no stupid questions on this channel. If you have any question for me, leave it. I don't bite. I respond to every question because if you're yet to also introduce yourself in the comments, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you. I want to meet you. What is your name? Where are you watching from? What do you do for a living? I want to meet you guys. I want to be your friend. Yes, you heard me. I'm building a community here on this channel, and I want you guys to see this channel as a safe place for you to express yourself. So yes, I hope that all of these avenues that I've shared in today's video has been helpful to you. If this video has blessed you, don't forget to like this video, share this video with your village members, your friends and enemies, and I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves and bye for now. If anyone is doubting how far you can go, please go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. Yes, you know why? Because I said so. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and go to express, and I'll see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye for now.